Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you can reset the service indicator of an Opel Corsa 2022. This model comes from 2029 till 2022, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset this indicator popping up. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's start. First of all, there are two types of Opel Corsas. One with a button here on the side of this thumbstick over here, and this is one with no button over here. So turn the ignition off, then you're gonna press the set or the clear button. Keep it pressed while you turn the ignition on to the second position, and you'll see an indicator counting down from 10 to 0, and when it reaches 0, then you release the set or the clear button on the left side. Then you release this, do the check, ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll see that the indicator doesn't pop up anymore. So once again, ignition off, press and hold, ignition on, wait for the countdown to reach 0, and it will reset itself. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.